Miraa, dubbed Meru's green gold, is known and widely appreciated for its stimulant component. Miraa is commonly grown in the Nyambene Hills of Meru County by a section of the Tigania subgroup and largely by the Igembe subgroup of Meru. Some communities in Meru are also known to ask for Miraa bundles during dowry negotiations, further proving just how esteemed Miraa is.
Mtu wa Miraa ulitumika kwa kuoa wasichana. Ukitaka msichana mpaka upeleke Miraa ndio utapata yule msichana. Kama hujapeleka Miraa haupati yule msichana.
Meru is celebrated as the main supplier of Miraa in the country, as well as being the leading exporters to countries such as Somalia, Ethiopia, and Djibouti, among others. Miraa's value has grown at an average of 9.7 annually and accounts for 54.2% of the fresh produce exported from Kenya.
It has many benefits in our lives. The Meru community has been using Miraa for medicine, for heartburn and common cold.
Due to the stimulant component in Miraa, people have gone on to produce wines and juices extracted from the commodity, a venture that has seen Miraa's fame extend to bigger cities. Meru is the leading producer of bananas in Kenya, with the bulk of banana production done in the South Imenti region. The $6 billion industry contributes by a large margin to the Meru's GDP, a ratio bound to increase with more locals having embraced banana farming. The existence of open-air market has helped eliminate middlemen, hence providing farmers an opportunity to reap more profits from the 130,000 tons of bananas they collectively produce annually.
Yes, it's a very productive enterprise because like school fees, unity, because of what the last born of mine is university. I have no problem in paying the school fees. And even doing small things there, like now I'm with employees up to about last week. I'm about 88 employees. So, and I've no hassle when I'm paying them because the thing is paying.
Having embraced value addition, Wendo Foods has gone on to create bananas by products such as banana crisps, porridge, chapati, and ugali flours, a concept that has increased farmers' profit margins as well as created employment.
I started farming like other people. We planted about 2 acres of bananas, so that you can sell to the open markets like other people. So when I went to a training, I got interested. Why can't I do the value addition and then I earn more than just selling to a middleman? So that was my interest. And that's why I started the Wendo Foods.
Textile farming is yet another business that has been booming in Meru, with farming proving to be a great source of income for the Makena textile proprietors who use sheep wool to produce products such as materials, blankets, and carpets, among other things, all of which are of great quality and attract buyers from across Kenya.
Tunafanya kazi ya manyoa, ya kondoo, tunafanya spinning, weaving, na tie and dye. Hii kazi inasaidia wamama sana kwa sababu wameshomesha watoto. Hata wengine wamenunua mashamba, wengine wanajenga manyumba. Wakati tulikuwa tunafanya hii kazi kwa sababu kazi ni kubwa, lakini siku hizi kazi imesorota kidogo kwa sababu ya hii COVID.
Over 25 years ago, the Tea Research Foundation of Kenya developed the purple cultivar, commonly known as purple tea, and recruited small-scale farmers to begin farming the crop in 2011.
We've established a nursery where there is now Oruko prison. It was a tea nursery. To supply, that was the nursery to supply all the areas that including Nyambene, and including the whole of the amenities.
The crop, primarily grown in the Mount Kenya region, provides 10 times the earnings that ordinary green tea brings annually.
The purple tea can produce up to 2.5 kgs, or the other one, the maximum it is 1.8 kgs per bush.
Purple tea has helped position Meru further up the food production chain following its high demand across the globe due to its medicinal value. Such include anti-cancer, anti-aging, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Purple tea is also known to boost one's cognitive function and prevent colds as well as flus.
Tunatengeneza na viatu za leather na pia kuuza. Hii industry ya viatu imeimprove kwa sisi material tunatumia saa hizi kwa sawa.
Yenyewe ni kazi inasaidianga mtu.
Sasa kazi nilianza polepole, ikaenda sasa ikiendelea mpaka sasa nikaanza kununua vitu na wingi na saa hii ninaendelea vizuri.
The leather business has grown over the years and has the potential to boom even further, with locals embracing the final products business owners at Marigiti give due to their great quality.
Hii biashara inafanya vizuri sana. Hapa mapato ni tere.
Advantages ya hii kazi ukishaielewa na uwe fundi, hata ukipata material kidogo natengeneza viatu kama zile unaweza tu hata 5 na unauza.
Hata ladies, msione kama kazi imekuwa ngumu sana, mseme kazi ni ya men. Kazi ni kazi. Kujeni mfanye kazi na muone kazi si ati ni ngumu sana. Kiatu unaweza angalia uone kama ni ngumu, sababu hata mimi natengeneza, mnaona hata mimi natengeneza. Unaweza ona kama ni ngumu, lakini kukuja tu kianzia utaona kazi iko sawa.
Na kujanga kushonewa viatu hapa Marigiti kwa kuwa tunaona wanashona viatu na utaratibu wawezi kuharibia kiatu yako. So naalika wa Meru wenzangu Meru County watembelee Marigiti waone kazi ambayo watu wa viatu wanafanya.
Meru County prides itself as being the leading producer of potatoes in the country, with Kisima Board recording an enviable high of 75% in certified seed production on small-scale farmers' production and returns alike.
Hapa ndio tumeona tunafaidika na serikali yetu ya county ikishirikiana na national government ikatuletea sheria mpya hii ya kupima viazi yetu na 50 kg packaging, na ndio tunaona itatusaidia sana juu karibu watu wale wako E1 90% wote ni wakulima wa viazi, ndio wanaelimisha naye. Kwa hivyo tukitikia mwito wa serikali tupitirie kupima viazi 50 kg, tunaona tutafaidika zaidi, tutaweza nunua maploti kama wale wengine wameajiriwa na serikali, tunajenga na kazi mingi tutaweza fanya, na hiyo ni kujenga Kenya.
Okay, we started roasting coffee in 2015 and we have been growing continuously. Since for now we are doing at least 70 bags per month. That is approximately 4 bags per day. And we are hoping to continue growing as we get a bigger roaster for our coffee. So currently we are covering around 15 counties. That is the places where we are selling our coffee.
Meru County is known for the quality of coffee it produces and distributes in Kenya and abroad. To ensure that quality remains up to standard, the Meru Central Coffee Cooperative Union primarily sources the raw products from local farmers whose quality and certified seedlings are provided by the union in a bid to regulate the quality of coffee the MCC's union gives as the final product.
For us, we only specialize with the coffee from Meru. We like supporting the farmers from Meru. So when we buy coffee, we know specifically where we are getting our coffee from. And we always get the best grade for our customers. With that, we know we are supporting the Meru farmers. So our grade is best because we get it from the farmers, from the factories, we know where it comes from. Let us support our products. Let us take our coffee. We are doing the farming. We are the farmers. Let us support what we are farming let us all take our product and support our Kenyan products so that we will be able to know what we are doing. And I'm sure our products are the best. My name is Lucy Kainyu, Marketing Manager of Meru Central Coffee Cooperative Union. Buy Kenya, build Kenya.
My name is Monica Kevenji of Wonder Foods from Meru County. Buy Kenya, build Kenya.
Kwa majina naitwa Sara Mukiri kutoka Meru, Makena Textile Workshop. Buy Kenya, build Kenya.
Kwa majina yangu naitwa Ngirigore Muchaireri na mimi ndio chairman wa Meru Marigiti Leather Works.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Elias Kaimenyi. Mimi ni fundi wa kutengeneza viatu hapa na kuuza katika Meru County.
Kwa majina naitwa Susan, nafanya kazi hapa Marigiti ya kuuza vitu ya kutengeneza viatu yote, shoe components kama sole na ngozi na nguru.
Mimi naitwa Evelyn Karemi. Nimekuja hapa kununua kiatu ya shule.
My name is Judas Kimathi, a banana farmer, Meru County. Buy Kenya, build Kenya.
Nasema buy Kenya, build Kenya.
Buy Kenya, build Kenya.
Buy Kenya, build Kenya.
Buy Kenya, build Kenya.
My name is Wilson Mutweri Mogweka. I'm a farmer of Meru. I'm proud to be a Meru farmer. I'm a Meru farmer.